let's unbox this candy that I said earlier. Aside from it, I usually get color purples. So if I don't have gold, I think purple na lang or blue pa na. Pero wala siyang blue. Blue! Halata na purple. Wait lang. Halata siya na purple. Sorry, San. Basta na na, San. Ang cute niya. Kaya ayun lang yung tama niya. Bye-bye. Ayun pala uniform ko sa school. Bye-bye. Ayun pala book ko sa school. Bye-bye.